Good afternoon. My name is Savita BERNAL. I'm the Chief Business Officer at MaatPharma. Today, I'll talk about diversity and how it matters to treat graft-versus-host-disease and solid tumors indication with microbiome therapies. Diversity matters. Imagine you had no microbiome. That is what happens in heavily treated leukemia patients when they receive stem cell transplants. Their intensive chemotherapy and antibiotic treatments not only result in aplasia, but also erase their gut microbiome. Well, no gut, no glory. When the immune cells are implanted, they are missing their microbiome counterparts, leading to a high risk of developing graft-versus-host-disease. This is a rare and severe condition affecting 10,000 patients in the US and EU each year, with a survival rate of less than 20% after a year in most severe cases. But the fact is, gut microbiome diversity matters. Did you know that a leukemia patient with twice the gut microbiome diversity also has twice the chance to survive following a stem cell transplant? In solid tumors, immune checkpoint inhibitors have been hailed as a breakthrough, and they are for some patients. Unfortunately, up to 70% of lung cancer patients fail to respond. Interestingly, the higher the gut microbiome diversity and richness in these patients, the higher the response to treatment. The microbiome is an ecosystem, a complex network of species and metabolites that work together, in particular to dialogue with, educate, and modulate your immune system. We at MaatPharma intend not only to offer new therapeutic options to GVHD patients, but also to expand our target to patient populations 100 times larger, including those receiving immune checkpoint inhibitors. But how? By designing products that truly leverage the incredible complexity of the interactions within the microbiome. At MaatPharma, we have developed microbiome ecosystem therapies that can be either donor-derived or fermented. These are off-the-shelf, standardized, high-richness products. They contain hundreds of species, including specific functional networks of interest. All our products rely on high-end metagenomics data science and cGMP manufacturing processes. For example, thanks to the use of our patented cryoprotectant process, our MaaT13 product for the treatment of GVHD is twice as rich and 5 times less variable than a product derived from a single donor. MaaT13 also contains Buticore, a network of species known to produce functional metabolites useful to normalize the immune response and thus control GVHD. MaaT13 has shown promising results in an early access program with an overall response rate of 59% and a survival rate of 52% at 6 months. Within our team at MaatPharma, diversity also matters. Joël Doré is considered as one of the founding fathers of the microbiome. Mohamed Mouti is a renowned hemato-oncologist, and Hervé Affagar, our CEO, is an entrepreneur with a diverse background who has assembled an ecosystem of expertise ranging from metagenomics to data science to immunology. He has raised 38 million euros in funding to date. Where are we now? We have completed a phase 2 trial with results expected this quarter and gathered promising data for MaaT13 in GVHD patients, including in more than 50 patients from an early access program, because MaatPharma truly believes in translational medicine. A phase 1 is also ongoing with oral MaaT33 in acute myeloid leukemia, with results expected this year. By the end of this year, we intend to initiate a phase 3 trial of MaaT13 in GVHD, as well as a proof of concept phase 1 trial in melanoma, where we believe our therapies can improve the efficacy of immune checkpoint inhibitors. We shall also consolidate our full ecosystem fermentation technology, set to enter the clinics in 2022. This groundbreaking technology enables to replicate and fully leverage at large industrial scales the functional diversity found in the native microbiome, while also tuning the therapy to indication-specific needs. Looking ahead, MaaT13 could be the first microbiome therapy approved in an oncology indication. And our fermentation technology opens the door to a world where a diverse gut microbiome becomes the key partner to all oncology treatments, because diversity will continue to matter. Thank you.